A very good morning, student. Hope you would have studied topic adjective very nicely and thoroughly. After reading adjective and its type, now we are shifting to our next topic, and our next topic is degree of comparison. See, student, degree of comparison is comparing the basic degree of adjective. So before reading degree of comparison, let us first have a proper definition of all the degrees. The first degree we have is positive degree. An adjective is said to be in the positive degree when no comparison is made. When we are not comparing anything, then it will be included in positive degree. Positive degree is the first degree, so no comparison is made in positive degree. Clear? Let's see some examples. My house is big. What it is saying? My house is big. So big is an adjective used for house. House कैसा है? Big है. Okay. So हाउस के लिए बिग का यूज किया है, बट इसमें बिग का कोई भी सेकेंड या थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज नहीं किया है. सो इट्स अ पॉजिटिव डिग्री फॉर्म. शी इज टॉल. Tall is used as an adjective, but it is in a positive degree form, or it is in the simplest form. The flower was beautiful. He is an intelligent boy. Clear? So first of all, before understanding the degrees, you need to have a clear vision regarding the adjectives, because firstly you have to understand what is adjective, and you can easily clarify adjective and its type. Then we will start with the positive degree. Now see, in this sentence only one noun, my house is taken, is talked about, क्योंकि इसमें इस सेंटेंस में सिर्फ एक ही नाउन के बारे में बात की गई है. सी, माई हाउस, हाउस के बारे में बात की गई है, स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में बात की गई, क्लास के बारे में बात की गई, इंटेलिजेंट बॉय के बारे में बात की गई. So only one noun is used, so it is a positive degree. Now next we have comparative degree. See student, in comparative degree, what the word comparative means, to have a comparison. So when we start comparing thing, so we will use comparative degree. An adjective is said to be comparative degree when the quality of one person or thing is compared to another person. See this one, we compare one person or thing with other person. हम क्या करते हैं, एक person को दूसरे person के साथ क्या करते हैं, we compare it. Okay? और जब हम comparative degree का यूज करते हैं, तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं, then का यूज करते हैं. क्या यूज करते हैं, then, THEN, then. ठीक है? Okay? So let's see some example. She is better than Mohan. This Mohan and she. We are giving a comparison between two nouns. And we are using then. Whenever in a sentence you find then and two noun is compared, it will be included in comparative degree. Okay? Let's see the second one. This house is bigger than that one. Means we are comparing one house with the other one. So we are using ER. We are using ER. Clear? Now Mohan is being compared with she, and we are using as good as. Sometimes in place of comparing, in place of using then, what we use as good as, means same. The as good as is basically used for comparison only. This flower is more beautiful. Then again then is used, and more is used. More is basically used in second degree. Okay? I am better than. Again then is used, means we are using a comparative degree, and with then we can easily clarify that this is a comparative degree. We are comparing between the two things. Okay, children. Now next we have, after comparative degree, we have superlative degree. Superlative degree is the third degree and the most supreme degree. In superlative degree, when one is compared to all, it's a superlative, means supreme degree. So we have many students. See the example. We have many students, 4, 5 students, and this is the student who is compared with all these students. So in superlative degree, the person is compared with all these. That is why he is more superior. So you can learn it by a keyword. You can memorize it by using a keyword superior. Superior means जो सबसे ऊंचा है, सबसे बड़ा है. Clear? So superlative degree means it always compare one with all. What it do? It compare one with all. Okay. Superlative degree compare one with all. And in generally what we use in or of. Is used with the superlative degree. And to justify superlative degree, we use the article the before superlative degree, the best. Okay, when we say the best means nobody could be more good than that. Let's see some example. First one is, she is the best, means superlative degree. This flower is the most beautiful. No other flower could be much beautiful than this. The is used with more, most word is used. He is one of the most famous teacher. One of the means we compare one from all. So he is one of the most famous teacher of our school. This is the biggest, biggest, third form. Already we are using third degree. Over here we are using the third degree. Most is used for the third degree. For second degree we use more, and for third degree we use most. Means for comparative we use more, and for superlative we use most. Okay, that's why I said most. So most, use of most and use of the. This show these degrees are used as superlative degree, and superlative degree always compare one with all, and the as an article is used in superlative degree. Okay, now see the next. To have a better understanding of the topic, let us see this chart. So, and you need to remember it. Clear, student? See, example of positive degree. When we are talking about the example of a positive degree, see, strong. First word is strong. When we have a single syllable, we have strong. Strong in comparative degree, I told you we use ER. So it will be strong of. In superlative degree, we use EST. So it will become strongest. Thin. Syllable ending with vowel consonant. See, it's ending with vowel or consonant. I-N. Ending with I or N. So I is a vowel plus N is the consonant. So when it is ending with vowel or consonant, in that case what will happen? Double consonant and add ER. Consonant, the last one, will be double, and what plus ER will be added in comparative degree. Okay, in positive degree it will be thin, but because we have a combination of vowel plus consonant. So when we are having a combination of VC, vowel consonant, then consonant VC become VC square, means consonant become double, and we add ER. Okay, you have to memorize it. VC means vowel plus consonant. When there is a combination of vowel and consonant together, in that case consonant will get double and we will add ER. And in again the consonant will be double and we will add EST. Clear, student? Now famous. When we are talking about famous is when we are talking about such kind of syllables, we don't use EST or ER. What we do in place of that, we use more या most or least or most. These words are used. Less or more or least or most. Clear? So it could be more famous, less famous or least famous or most famous. Clear? One syllable ending with Y. When the syllables is ending with Y, means ending with Y. जब ये Y के साथ end हो रहा है तो what I do? I always get change into I. I always change into I. I हमेशा किस में change? Y जो हमेशा किस में change हो जाता है? I में change हो जाता है. And because in comparative degree we used to add ER, so what it will do? It will add three alphabet I, E, R with the word. And over here I, E, S, T will be added. Clear? Now there are few words which don't change completely, but there are just ER and EST is added, but there are few words who change its form fully. Like when we have bad, good, many. See, bad will change in comparative degree as worst and in superlative degree as at worst. Good will change good, better, best. So good will change into better and best. Many, more and most. Okay, student? Now see, next we are having some superlative degree and comparative degree. You can read it out yourself or you can go through it slowly. I'll provide you all the PDF of it so that you can better work on it. So see, in positive we have, see in first one, what positive what we have? We have black, bold, fast, small, strong. That black is changing into, because it is a positive degree, and when positive degree change into comparative degree, ER is added, so we are adding ER. See, in everywhere we are adding ER. And in superlative degree what we do, we add EST. Clear? Now when adjective with and with E, when adjective and with E, see, all these adjectives are ending with E. ER is used. Comparative degree, fine, wise, these all are ending with E. In that case, see, braver, finer, wiser. ER is used and EST is used over here. When at the end we are using Y, so we are eliminating Y and using I in the place of it, and with I in comparative degree we are using ER, and in superlative degree we are using EST. With this we have winded up the topic. Hope you would have understand the rules as well as the topic well. You need to remember all these topic. Thank you, class.